Hello, dear traders. The information and analytical service is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. We will examine each indicator in more detail a little further. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can study all the parameters of the company being researched in detail. We will look at the company's key indicators with you. Orion Group Holdings Inc., ticker ORN. The review was created using current information as of August 5, 2025. According to Classification.GURU.Markets, company Orion Group Holdings Inc. belongs to the subcategory Building Construction. 14 organizations are taking part in the comparison. Look for the order table at the end of this video. Overall score for the company in question, 4 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 4 points. If you look very broadly, within the framework of the entire US market in general, we can see that the average rating for the stock market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against the score of 4 points Orion Group Holdings Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's stock price Orion Group Holdings and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Orion Group Holdings showed a dynamics of minus 12.4%. 51.3% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Orion Group Holdings Inc. valued at $0.29 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $101 billion. The company's book value is $0.15 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $7 billion. By comparing the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we can see the following. Occupied share Orion Group Holdings in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.282%. Book value capitalization is 2.204%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The financial liabilities of the analyzed organization amount to $0.077 billion. Financial liabilities to book value account for 51% of the company's equity. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, total, 0 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 27.4, with an average for the subcategory of 26.4. Evaluation of the stock exchange price to earnings ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $10 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $13 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 0.3. The average in the subcategory is 2.2. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $840 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $1,010 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The marginality is 1.3%, with an average of 8.5% in the subcategory. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.221%. This is 333% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $151,000. While in the subcategory there are $655,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $5,500. Subcategory average, $24,800. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $444,000. Subcategory, $292,000. Sales per employee rating compared to subcategory scores, good, 0.5 points. The short position is 3.8% compared to the subcategory average of 2.8%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 33% for the company Orion Group Holdings Inc. Whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 59%. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $7.17. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $11.11. Let's look at the order table. It is available to everyone. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions of the stock evaluation reference system in a given season. Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the stock analysis, Orion Group Holdings Inc. Information and reference system Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a trade for a rise at a price of $7.18. The order is open because the company has a fairly high valuation and price change. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment approach, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 10.3. Stop loss is set at 4.06. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically based on the results of the exchange session on September 4, 2025, or on the last trading day before that date. Ticker, LAB, will become a balance order to sell. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, another order is closed at the actual price. Thank you very much for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.